Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, northwestern Champaign County, Logan County, east central Auglaize County, Hardin County, northwestern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Miami County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Paris, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bell Fountain, Kenton, Ada, St. Paris, West Liberty, Russell's Point, DeGraff, Lakeview, Alger, Bell Center, West Mansfield, Chippewa Park, Northwood, Blanchard, Roundhead, Quincy, Mount Victory, Rush, Sylvania, McGuffey, and Fletcher. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.